Hi guys, thank you all for tuning in and welcome back to Sewing Clara. Today we're gonna create these cute little angels. They can be used as Christmas ornaments on a Christmas tree, or you can use them pretty much anywhere where it looks good to you. And they are made of pretty simple materials, which is something I always appreciate. And if you want to know how to make these angels, then please keep watching. Here is what we'll need for our today's project. A few coffee capsules, small Christmas ornaments or wooden balls, cotton balls, that is optional, 2 pieces of cord for each angel, and feathers. I collected mine in the summer at a pond. We'll also need pointy scissors and a glue gun. First, I made 2 holes on each side of one of the coffee capsules. I pulled the cord through each side and made a knot on each end of the cord. Next, I made a hole on the top of a second capsule. Then I glued a bit of the cotton on the Christmas ornament. I pulled the string of the Christmas ornament through the hole in the second capsule and I glued all together. You have to be careful because the glue heats up the capsule. As a next step, I glued together the head and the body. And then, as a last step, I turned the angel to the backside and I glued on 2 feathers. And then our angel was finished. These are so cute, right? So I'm gonna use these on my little Christmas tree together with these little boxes. And by the way, the feathers that I have used were feathers that I collected over the summer at a pond. There is a couple of swans, and each day there were several feathers that came to the shore, so I would always go there and collect them so that I would have them for this project. If you don't have anywhere a pond where swans live, if you don't have any opportunities to collect feathers, you can also make your own feathers of denim. So here's what it looks like. I have a tutorial for this choker and also a tutorial for these feathers, so I'll link the videos down below. And that is gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed our little creative project today. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you very much. God bless you and see you soon. Bye!